What up, guys? It's your girl Jazzy B. So I'm coming with you for my first unboxing video for some hair. So I'm doing the Modern Show hair, the Brazilian curly, and I ordered it on Memorial Day. They sent me a message stating that my order had to go through for about 24 hours to make sure my debit card and stuff went through. And then once that went through, I believe it was Tuesday, and I got an email probably about 3 o'clock in the morning saying that my order processed and that it was getting ready to ship. So I got a message from a seller, one of the sellers in Simon, who was really sweet, and he told me that he walked me through the process and was like, okay, we're going to pick you some nice quality hair, and I hope you enjoy our business, I hope you enjoy our hair. And I was like, yeah, I'm going to do a hair review. So he was like, okay, we're going to pick you some good quality hair, so I'm excited. Because sometimes on AliExpress hair, it's kind of like a hit or miss, you don't really know. But I watched so many reviews on this hair, it's ridiculous. Especially the one from Alexa Janelle. I watched that like 12 times. But, anyways, let's get into it. So, this is the packaging came in, the DHL packaging. And another thing too, it came in 3 days, 2 to 3 days. Yeah, 3 days, which is fast. So yeah. So this is a DHL packaging that everybody you see. So this is the Modern Show hair packaging. So you see it says fashion style, colorful life. It has the website, my tracking number, and the name of the company. So we're gonna open this. And I love that it came with like little individual lashes, even though I don't know how to do these, but still it's a nice little gift. So it came with little individual lashes, and yeah, flare medium black. So yeah. So let's get into it. So this is my closure. I can't remember what I got. Oh, I got an 18 length closure. It is a 3-part. I just want to be creative with it. So let's go into this. Oh, and it has like a little net so it doesn't get fuzzy. Okay. So this is the closure. The lace closure. So yeah, that's pretty big. It's a 4x4, so it's not too small. Like I've seen some reviews when the closure is like this much. But it's a nice closure. And ooh, y'all, the hair is soft. Yeah, the hair is soft. And I'm just running my fingers through it. The curls are popping. So as you can see, the bottom of the curls are a little fuzzy, which I don't know if that's normal for curly hair, but it's a little bit ratty, it seems like. I don't know. Maybe I can just put some conditioner and it'll probably pop back or whatever. But yeah, it's a nice closure. You can see the 3-part. So you can part it or whatever. And it does have that beauty supply store smell, which I'm kind of worried about, because anytime you smell that, it's almost like you don't know if it's virgin hair or not, because it smells so processed. But in my update, I'm sure I'll talk to you guys about that. But yeah, I'm not really getting any shedding. I think I've got, I don't know if you can see that, but I've gotten 1 strand. So that's not really, for curly hair, it's not like it's shedding. So yeah, that's the closure, which is pretty nice. So I'm gonna put this back in the bag, and I love how they have these little bags, so it's like when I take it out I can just kind of put it back in and not really use it. So I'm gonna put that in there. Here are the bundles. Okay, I got 4 bundles. And this is the 18-inch bundle. Let's see. Yeah, and the wefts are pretty nice. I mean, I don't see any beards, any nips, or nothing like that. And the bundle is relatively thick. Like, I'm not bashing AliExpress, I'm just saying, because you know, sometimes the bundles be hella thin. So this is nice. So just gonna run my fingers through it. So, and this I can use the bar store smell, of course. But it seems like the more I run my fingers through it, the bigger it gets. But this is the 18-inch, so yeah, it's pretty trigger length. So yes, this is the 18-inch, and y'all, look how bouncy that is, like, and look how much shine, like, that luster. It's not dull or anything. I love that, that bounce. Yeah, this is nice so far. So I got the inches 18, 22, no, my bad, 18, 20, 22, and 24 inch. So I got 4 bundles and 3 top closure. And I paid $192.76, which I mean is pretty good. Like, I'm still in school and I can afford it, so obviously it's a pretty affordable buy. But this is the 24-inch bundle. I just want to see how long this is. This is a 24-inch bundle. Oh my gosh. So this is my longest bundle that I got. So I normally wear 26, 30-inch hair. It's my first time really wearing short hair. But I love that long, flowy, curly hair look. So 24, I thought it was going to be, because sometimes AliExpress hair isn't true to length either. So I thought it was going to be, a little bit right here, but I mean, I can deal with this, so I mean, this is cool. So again, the left is constructed really well, no beards, anything like that. Again, with the beauty supply store now, just running my fingers through it, and I got one, I don't know if you can see that, but I got 1 strand. This, I mean, AliExpress hair, so, But yeah, look at this. Again with the bounce. Y'all, I love the bounce. And the luster. I'm really in love with the bounce and luster. It's really nice. But yeah, and the smell, of course. But yeah, overall, I'm pretty excited. I'll show you, I did install Saturday, so I'll show you the install, and I'll be sure to show you an update, see how the hair held up. But for the most part, I'm happy. So.